Hi there, today we're gonna learn how to make and sign up an account on likesvalepro.com. Simply we're gonna go to Google and type in search bar likesvalepro.com. Okay, it's gonna take you to the website and gonna show you an interface like this. Now you simply click on sign up and it will show you an interface like this. You simply type your name, let's suppose it's Hina or something, anything. You type your email address and I'll write this one, and simply you're gonna add your WhatsApp number. You're gonna enter your password, it could be any. So I'm gonna simply type 127 or 126 and gonna repeat the same on the second row. Now you're seeing two bars right after the password one. First one is region and second one is referral ID. Both of them are optional. You're simply gonna register. And congratulations, you have signed up in our website and here is your account. That's how it looks like. If you want to save the password, you're gonna save it, and if you have any further query regarding this, you're simply gonna scroll down, simply click on the WhatsApp button on the right bottom. It will take you to the WhatsApp. So this was it. See you again and goodbye for now.